How to reset Snapchat password with email. Now it is definitely possible to reset your Snapchat password with email. Basically, for this, all you have to do is, first of all, you launch the Snapchat app right here. Once you launch a Snapchat app, you tap the profile icon of the Bitmoji avatar and the gear icon. Now for users who are not logged in, when you go to the login page, you'll find the option called forgot your password. If you're trying to change your password within the app though, you'll find this password option and you can tap on forgot your password. So let's say you want to change with email. When you tap on forgot your password, you will definitely have the option to change it via email if you have linked your email address within your Snapchat account. So here you can see, please choose how you want to reset your password. So you can tap on via email, then it will send a link to that particular email, right? So you just have to make sure to enter your email address right here, and once you enter your email address which you have linked, you can tap the submit button. It will send a link to that email, which is the verification email, and once you go ahead and then tap on that link, basically you can see Team Snapchat will send a password reset request. When you tap on it, you'll be able to go to the new page where you can choose a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can reset your Snapchat password with email. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.